everyone, today I'm going to tell you how can you download Once Upon a Time theme for Google. So this is going to be your theme for all the Once Upon a Time lovers out there. So you've got most visited apps like the bookmarks, you've got some Google apps, you've got more themes. You can make some new notes in this theme too, like I want to type something and remember it, I can paste it there. You have got a to-do list feature. You can make a full to-do list. So this theme is very unique and different. You can search on Google directly from this background, and you've got so many options. You've got so many background options for particularly Once Upon a Time, and you've got some settings for background animations, and all this is something you get with this particular Once Upon a Time theme. So how to get it in your Google Chrome? So first you can see these three dots. You're supposed to go there, then go to your settings. Here we are in the settings. Now this appearances box is what you have to find, and in this theme click here. Ignore this because the backgrounds are Once Upon a Time for me and the theme is Wally. But in search the store, type Once Upon a Time, and after you'll get it, this first one is something you need to download and you can add to Chrome. I've already added, so it is showing the remove from Chrome option for me. Now here you can simply add to Chrome, then you'll get a little bit pop-ups for adding the extension and confirming it, and after all the pop-ups and everything, you will get your theme, you'll get your backgrounds in Chrome like this. So thank you and see you next Thursday. Bye bye.